In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lower exposure on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. Then, if you would like to lower the exposure on photo mode, first off, tap at that arrow. That will show you that toolbar, and that's where we can find exposure icon. If we tap on it, we'll be able, by dragging this scale, increase or reduce exposure on a photo mode. If you would like to make exposure lower or higher on a video mode, first off, switch to video. Then tap right here at that arrow, and then in the same way we can tap at exposure tool, and that's how we can increase or reduce exposure on a video. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.